Yan yung nangyari sa aming kagabi, guys. Paggising namin, natumba na yung canopy ni David. And it's raining. Kawawa naman si Rain. Oh, daming papaya dun, oh. Hi guys, so it's already 5 PM guys, and hindi ko alam kung anong oras kami natulog. At nakikita nyo naman, tanan! Tulog pa rin si David guys. So, and kahapon, galing ako sa Zamboanga City. So, I arrived here yesterday mga 12, ganun. So, si David mga 10 andun na sa medyo wala pa akong kain. It's already 5 o'clock. Anyways, titingnan natin kung okay pa ba yung mga gulay natin sa ref. Kasi 2 days ako bala dito, di ba? Mag-isa lang si David. So, hindi mo pa City. Anyways, wala yung gulay. Parang nabulok na. And then, tingnan nyo, ano to, kalabasang puti, nabulok na. Tapos may talong tayo. Parang sarap ng sinigang. Tapos, ayan, magsisinigang na tayo guys. May ganito pa. So, mag-defrost din tayo ng pork. Parang hindi talaga nagluto si David. Nang wala ako, hindi siya nagluto. In fairness guys, pag uwi ko, walang labada. Tayo sa tindahan, bibili tayo ng sinigang mix. Okay, so we got our sinigang mix which is 18 pesos. And then, Nor cubes, 8 pesos. Meron tayo nito. Pwede pa siguro to guys. Ayan. So, we'll see. To try natin. Okay, I think we got a lot of veggies to put in for our sinigang soup. Ayan, so we got the pork and lots of veggies. And then, here are all the ingredients. I got ginger, onion, this one, tomatoes, and nilagyan ko ng tanglad. Alam ko walang tanglad ata sa pero ayoko kasi masayang, so ilalagyan natin. And then pork cubes and sinigang cubes. So, let's cook. Okay, so gagamitin ko ito. This is a gift from my friend, guys, from Inday Bali. Ayan, look here it is. Diba? Kapag tumatanda na talaga tayo sa mga kaldero na tayo kinikilig. Ang cute niya, guys. Kakulay niya yung bahay namin sa loob. Anyways, so I'm gonna start first, guys, with this one. Papalambutin muna natin ito. Yung meat. So I already put all the ingredients, and this is how it looks like. So it looks like now for our sinigang. And then, konti lang nilagay ko pa. But in fairness, bango. So nilagay ko na yung sayote, and then yung talong na may nakuha pa tayong medyo maayos-ayos. And I think ilalagay na natin ito. We're not gonna put a lot because maybe David won't like it, but we'll try. Okay, so I think I'm gonna put all these things, or I'm gonna let this one first to boil. Bango, in fairness. I think it's super dami ng super dami ng ano ba to? Frijoles kasing tawag ng batong nalagay ko. But anyways, boil first. Taste test. Makulig na siya. ating sinigang na maraming gulay. But anyways, try natin siya. Kung tama na yung asin. Sarap. Masarap na siya, guys. Hindi ko nadagdagan yung asin. Well, for me, parang gusto ko siyang dagdagan yung asin. Dagdagan yung asim. Yung ito. Pero, baka hindi na yung gusto ni David. Pero may asim na siya. Anyways, nilagay pa ako ng asin. Try natin. So, this is how it is now. So, I'm gonna eat first, guys. And I got rice here. And then I even got my ginisang bagoong. Perfect. Eating my sinigang. With coffee. 1 meal a day.